Good morning, everybody. We're live right now, and I'm just gonna go on mute a little bit to share the live with the community. I want to say you guys are welcome. So today is July 28th, 2025, and we're live trading SPY on a 1 minute time frame. And as you guys can see, actually, there's something I want to point out for some of you. Here we have a major resistance level here and here. That's why we're having this burgundy line over here. And right now, SPY is in this range. So what we're looking for is to see if we can hold above this level, which happens to be these previous resistance. So as long as SPY is holding above this level on the 1 minute, there could be a good potential for a call to the upside. But for now, we just have to keep an eye here and see if there's going to be any rejection. And remember, we have a little gap here. So that's another thing we're keeping an eye on. But for now, I'm not in trade. I'm just gonna be watching and see what's happening. As you can see this yeah, so as long as we're in this range, there's no trade for now. But I want to say you guys are welcome to the live. Yeah, Spy's pulling back. For now, we're kind of like I'm still waiting. I'm not even in this trade for now. I'm gonna wait. Wow, that's a big drop. They're dumping, man. Yeah, they probably want to fill this gap here, probably, or who knows. Still out of that trade, and wow, yeah. Remember, I said they probably want to come down to fill this gap, and that's exactly what's happening. Yeah, 637.10, and once we can fill here, I'm gonna be looking for a call opportunity. That is if we hold above this level. So now our next target is gonna be here. Okay, so we're looking at here now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if we can hold above this level now. Look at this, guys. Yeah, but let's see if we can hold here. If we can hold above here, then our call could be good. Yeah, I'm not in a trade yet. I want to see if we can hold above. Yeah, but you guys are welcome to the live broadcast. Feel free to share the live. Yeah, this is yeah. Spy looks kind of bearish right now. But again, we don't chase trades. You always have to be careful not to chase trades. Okay? Patience is the key. It's called patience, and patience pays out. So want to be so patient and wait for the right entry. So the main thing we're looking at is here. This place is our place of interest. If we can hold above, well, we could make some money. We have our VWAP, we have our 28 EMA. So we're below the 28 right now. Now the 28 is serving as a resistance level now. Okay, so this is our resistance level on the 28 EMAs. So if there is any rejection of the 28 EMA, I'm gonna probably get a little bit of port, but I'm still watching for confirmation. Yeah, SPY looks so bearish, but I'm not in a trade, guys. So I'm just watching. I'm not in any trade for now. I'm just watching to see how things are playing out. I'm not in any trade. Remember, I said I'm not in a trade. Yeah, we're probably gonna fill this gap here, but it looks like gap already filled. Let me see, like see what's going on in 5 minutes here. On the 5 minutes. Let's see. I'm still seeing if SPY can hold above that. I'll probably shoot some calls, but as long as we're below this 28 EMA, I'm not taking any calls right now because this 28 is now serving as a resistance level. So I'm still keeping an eye out. And also, guys, you can join the Discord. I'm gonna post the Discord link right now, and it's free to join. So if you want to join the Discord, you can join for free. I'm gonna post the Discord link. That's the link to the Discord. You can join the Discord for free. See if we can break above. Okay, I'm gonna take a little call here. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna go on mute for a second. You see that, guys? I took the profit. I'm out of the tray. I guess we're about to flip you up. Keep going up. That was crazy. Mm. Yeah, I took the profit. I'm out of the tray. There we go. Flip the view up and go continue to the upside. They were just trying to fill this gap down here. I noticed that. Remember this yellow line? That's why I drew this yellow line. Because I was saying like if we can hold below this level, there could be a potential to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. Remember, we had all these yeah, but right now it's safe to take the profit if you can. Take it and get out. Take the money and then get out. Now we're testing VWAP rejection. We're testing VWAP right here. And this is a major resistance level. Here it's going to be a lot of turbulence. Here's a major resistance. You see the rejection? And again, it could come like this, play out and shoot up. Yeah, like this, shoot up. Here's a turbulence. This entire place is a turbulence. If we can break above, we're gonna moon up like crazy. But I already took my first trade, took the profit and got out. See this rejection, man. So if you want to join the Discord, the link is right in the comment section. Click the link and join the Discord. It's free to join, guys. And I'm actually gonna live trade for now to 10 o'clock. Just cause um that's when we have a lot of volume in the market. So I love to trade from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Sometimes 11 and I'm out, but I'm gonna be here up to 10 o'clock and I'll be out. Now you see what's happening? We have VWAP serving as resistance, 28 serving as support. They're playing in between. This is some crazy games. Yeah, but again, we're holding below the 20, above the 28. So we could continue to the upside, or if we break this, then we're coming right back down. But for now, we're still above the 28. Mm, breaking bomb. There we go. Shoot. Now we're back at it again. Here. Testing here again. Probably flip and come down here. Who knows? But I don't chase. I just look for opportunity to make money. I don't be chasing trades. And that's the difference. Some traders chase trades every time, and that's what they lose. Yeah, looking at this, we probably about to flip. But remember, we're still holding here because of here. So if we can maintain this level, now I'll take some calls. But if not, I'll watch it play out. But I'm waiting to see and get some confirmation. Now we're about the 28. We're below the 28 EMAs. We're below the VWAP and everything. So this looks bearish. And we're headed to 950. Let's see what happens at 950. Let's see if we can hold here. This is a crazy. And this is all because of here. Okay? In here. So if we break this, we could come here to test the support level. But for now, we're still holding here. Tell me where you're watching from in the comment section, guys. Let me know where you're watching from. And also, I have the boot camp coming up soon. So if you want to be a part of the boot camp, just um, join the community, and you're gonna see all details in there. This was the same stuff that happened here, but let's see if we can still maintain this. It's kind of forming this kind of like creating a support level. They're gonna consolidate here a little bit and either come down to retest this level or break and go up. Remember what happened, right? I believe if we were to actually go up, we could have flipped this VWAP and continue to the upside, but it got rejected and dumped right back down. So from what I'm looking at technically, we're coming further down. we're gonna come down to test 336.70. That's what I'm thinking. Because I believe like if we were to really go up, we could have just break and go up, but let's see what happens. Yeah, we don't chase, man. We do not chase. We just look for opportunities. Oh, they just flip the 28. Yeah, this is bearish, I believe. It's going down. Thanks for watching, guys. So it's 10:52. They're forming the support level. Like I said, guys, this, if we were to go up, we could have. But with all these pullbacks and rejections and things, I'm thinking we could go lower. But I'm not in a trade. I took my first trade, took the profit and got out. I'm watching. And look at this. I mean, they could fool everybody and shoot up crazy or dumb. That's how you never trade blindly. You have to look for opportunities. Mm, let's see. The next candidate that's gonna come up could be a good confirmation for entry, but look at this rejection again. Can we hold above the 28? Let's see. Um, yeah, I'm gonna take a little call from here just cause we're kind of above that 28. I'll take a little call from there and let's see. We're probably going to test VWAP. I mean, a little call here. There we go. Let's go. Mm, I'm still holding, guys. I'm not out yet. I'm still holding. Tell me where you're watching from. And do not forget to also like. I'm gonna get out of this trade. And we still have the 28 serving as now it flipped. Yeah, I got out of it. I didn't lose nothing, but I got out. From what I'm actually looking at, right? Now we're below the 28. I feel like they want to break and come down to test 36.70. That's what I'm thinking. 36.80 to 36.70 could be a major place break and come and test here. That's what I'm looking at. But we don't guess, we don't gamble, we don't chase. We follow what the market is giving us. It's 9:55 Eastern time. And I'm gonna stop this live broadcast at 10 o'clock. Yeah, this is crazy. Mhm. on Monday last week, they did something similar like this. And what there was a lot of up and down, and it went up so crazy. Nobody expected like where that big candle came from. I think it was on not Monday but Friday. Shut out so big, and everybody was like, "Oh my God, we're we're still holding, we're still holding above this support here. We're still holding, right? And the crazy thing, we're below the 28 in the VWAP. So I'm gonna see VWAP test, 28 test, and rejection. I'll go for put because I feel we're coming down. I feel SPY is gonna dump. Let's see if they're gonna reject again, but this is super crazy. Mm-mm. Guys, I'm gonna end this broadcast at 10 o'clock. Call it a day, and I'll probably be back later on by 12 because I got somewhere to go. I just took one trade from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, and there's just one trade, and I missed some money. Now, SPY's coming to test. I believe they want to test this view at, but if they reject again, bomb. Like, see here, rejection dumb, rejection dumb. So once you see this, oh my God, it didn't even come out of my mouth. These people want to dumb this thing. Once you see any rejection, no, it's a dumb. That's how you spot rejection. This one, this one, this one. You know, so. But yeah, guys, it's 10 o'clock now. I'm gonna end the live broadcast. If you have any question about anything that you want to know, shoot me message in Discord, and I'm gonna respond to you. Okay, I'm gonna be back later on. Thanks for watching, B Daniels.